Hello friends, now we have to discuss about spherical lenses. Okay, just like previously we are discussed about the spherical mirrors. Similarly here we are discussed about the spherical lenses. What is the spherical lenses? How many type of lens? Okay, what is the terms related to it? And how we can draw the image diagram for the different type of lenses. Same like a mirror, here we have to discuss about the lenses. Okay. So, spherical lenses. So, what is the spherical lenses? Okay. The lens is an optical device made up of a transparent medium bounded by two spherical surfaces. Okay. The lens is an optical device made up of a transparent medium bounded by two spherical surfaces. So, here two spherical surfaces are bound with each others. Okay, it means two spherical surfaces we are joined with each others and it form a lens. So, we can form the lens in two ways. So, according to that, lens should be divided into two types. Okay. So, first type we are getting is a convex lens. Okay, so what is the convex lens? So, we can write it is a transparent medium bounded by two spherical surface in such a way that middle part is thick and edge part is thin. Okay. It means if we are taking two spherical surface, transparent surface, and we are combined this transparent surface in such a way, okay. So this part we are getting is nothing but a convex lens, जिसका मिडिल पार्ट है वो थिक होता है और एड्स के पास का जो पार्ट है वो थिन पार्ट होता है. तो इसमें से ये जो मिरर बनेगा, सॉरी लेंस बनेगा, ये जो इस लेंस को हम बोलेंगे कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. ओके. नाउ सेकंड टाइप ऑफ दिस लेंस वी आर डिफाइनिंग इज ए कॉनकेव लेंस. So how we can define? So we can define in the similar way. Okay. It is a transparent medium bounded by a two spherical surface. Okay. यहाँ से difference होगा. क्या difference होगा? In such a way that, okay, in such a way that middle part is thin. Middle part is thin and end part is thick. यहां पे क्या होगा कि हम दो स्फेरिकल मिरर लगे. ठीक है. अब किस प्रकार होगा वो मिरर जो है कि यहां से हमने लिया. ठीक है. दूसरा हम यहां पे लेंगे ट्रांसपेरेंट पार्ट C1 एंड C2. तो यहां पे ये जो बनेगा पार्ट, ठीक, मिडिल में क्या होगा? थिन होगा और यहां पे क्या होगा? थिक होगा. सो ये जो लेंस है इट इज नोन एज ए कॉनकेव लेंस. दिस लेंस इज नोन एज ए कॉनकेव लेंस. ओके. सो स्फेरिकल लेंस इज ऑफ टू टाइप. ओके. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस एंड concave lens. Okay. So are you understand what is the convex lens and what is the concave lens? Here two transparent spherical surface, we are combined it, we are bounding it, but we are bounding in different way. So here middle part is a thick and end part is a thin. Here middle part is thin and end part is a thick. So according to the we can divide into two category. Okay, now we are see the different term related to spherical lenses. Okay, same like a term related to the spherical mirror हमने देखा था, सिमिलर टर्म यहां पे आएगा लेंस के लिए. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है. तो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के लिए यहां पे हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. So this middle part we are saying it is optical center O. Okay, on both the side we are getting the focus point F1 and F2. Here we are getting C1 and C2. Okay. So same we can define this is nothing but a optical center. The middle part of a lens is nothing but a optical center. In spherical mirror we are called it is a pole P. Here we are calling is a optical center. Okay. This part AB we are saying is the aperture. Same we are saying into the spherical mirror. So here we are saying the effectiveness of a lens from which part refraction is take place. This is nothing but a aperture over here. Same here we are draw the line passing through the optical center. This line is known as a principal axis. Okay. This point F1 is known as a focus. Here we are getting two focus point because we have two refractive surface. This side is also refractive surface. This side is also refractive surface. And here we are getting center C1 and C2. Okay. So this is known as a center of curvature. This is known as a center of curvature. Okay. And here this length is nothing but a focal length. This is nothing but a focal length. So similarly we are getting this for the concave lens. Here we can draw the line. This is O. Here we are getting F2. Here we are getting C2. This is our F1 and this is our C1. Okay. So same way we are getting for the concave lens also. So what important terms we are discussed in the spherical mirror, same important terms comes over here. Okay. The difference is that in spherical mirror we are getting focus on the single side. Here we are getting focus on two sides because here we have a two refractive surface. In mirror we have only one reflective surface. Okay. So on both the side we are getting focus, on both the side we are getting center of curvature. Principal axis will be remain same. In spherical mirror we are telling this midpoint is a pole. Here we are telling is optical center. Okay. So I think so there is no need of more discussion of this term because it is same as what we are discussing in spherical mirror. Okay. Now regarding the focus. Okay. So जैसे हमने वहां पे डिस्कस किया था फोकल लेंथ के लिए, तो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर था और कॉनकेव मिरर था, उसमें फोकस कैसे मिलता था और उसको हमने कन्वर्जिंग और डाइवर्जिंग मिरर बोला था. तो जो कॉनकेव मिरर जो था हमारा, ठीक है, कॉनकेव मिरर था, उसमें हमने क्या लिया था, rays coming parallel to the principal axis after reflection is passed through the F. Okay. So here rays is a converging. तो इसको हमने converging mirror बोला था. यहाँ पे हमें फोकस मिल रहा था और ये जो फोकस मिल रहा था वो हमें क्या मिल रहा था, नेगेटिव मिल रहा था. ठीक है. बाकी हमने देखा था. ठीक है. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के लिए तो उसमें हमें क्या मिल रहा था, द रेज कमिंग पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आफ्टर इट इज डाइवर्ज एंड इट मीट एट द फोकस. फोकस पे मिल रहा था, तो इसने हमने क्या बोला था, डाइवर्जिंग मिरर बोला था. और यहाँ पे जो फोकस मिल रहा था फोकल लेंथ, वो क्या मिल रहा था, पॉजिटिव फोकल लेंथ मिल रहा था. ठीक है. सिमिलरली अब इसमें क्या मिल सकता है हमें, फोकस रिगार्डिंग द तब इनका फोकस देखने की कोशिश करें तो यहाँ पे हमारा ये जो है वो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है. दिस इज ऑप्टिकल सेंटर O, दिस इज फोकस F1. अब यहाँ पे जो C1 है, we know that this radius of curvature R is double than focus. So instead of C1 also we can write 2F1. यहाँ पे हम F2 लिखते हैं तो यहाँ पे C2, instead of C2 we can write 2F2 भी हम लिख सकते हैं. So similarly यहाँ पे क्या होता है, rays coming parallel to the principal axis after refraction it pass through the focus. After refraction is passed to the focus. So this we are getting is a focus point. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, रे कन्वर्ज हो रहा है. So this is known as a converging lens. This is known as a converging lens. और यहाँ पे जो फोकस मिल रहा है वो कहाँ पे मिल रहा है, इस डायरेक्शन में, ऑपोजिट ऑफ द लेंस मिल रहा है, मतलब इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंसिडेंट रे. सो इंसिडेंट रे की जो डायरेक्शन, इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, पॉजिटिव. तो यहाँ पे जो फोकल लेंथ मिलेगा वो क्या मिलेगा, पॉजिटिव फोकल लेंथ मिलेगा. ठीक है. सिमिलरली हम डिस्कस करते हैं कॉनकेव के लिए, तो उसके लिए क्या आएगा, दिस इज अवर concave lens. Okay, so this is optical center. Here we are getting is F1, here we are getting is 2F1, here we are getting is F2, and here we are getting is 2F2. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम लेंगे the rays coming parallel to the principal axis. Okay, after refraction it is diverged. Okay, and here it can appear to meet on the focus. So this is nothing but a focus point. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, डाइवर्जिंग हो रहा है. सो दिस लेंस इज नोन एज ए डाइवर्जिंग लेंस. और यहाँ पे जो फोकस मिल रहा है, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस फोकस इज जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू द इंसिडेंट रे. सो यहाँ पे फोकल लेंथ मिलेगा वो क्या मिलेगा, नेगेटिव मिलेगा. ठीक है. तो ये दोनों का डिफरेंस देखो, दोनों ऑपोजिट मिल रहा है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे जो स्फेरिकल मिरर था ये कॉनकेव मिरर था, वो कन्वर्जिंग था. यहाँ पे कॉनकेव लेंस है वो डाइवर्जिंग है. यहाँ पे ये क्या मिल रहा था, F नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे F क्या मिल रहा है, उनके लिए नेगेटिव मिल रहा है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे जो F मिल रहा है वो, अब यहाँ पे क्या था, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर था. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर कैसा था, डाइवर्जिंग था. और फोकल लेंथ उनके लिए हमें क्या मिल रहा था, प्लस मिल रहा था. यहाँ पे हमारा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस हुआ वो क्या हुआ, डाइवर्जिंग की जगह कन्वर्जिंग हुआ. और यहाँ पे हमें जो फोकस मिल रहा है वो क्या मिल रहा है, पॉजिटिव मिल रहा है. ठीक है. सो दिस वे वी आर गेटिंग द फोकस पॉइंट ऑफ ए convex lens and concave lens. Okay, so these are the terms related to the spherical lenses. Now same like we have seen the rule of ray diagram for the image formation in spherical mirror. Similarly here we have to see the rule for the formation of image for the spherical lens. Rule formation for image diagram by the spherical lenses. Just we are seeing for the spherical mirror, same way we are getting the rules for the formation of an image in spherical lenses. Okay, so let's see first for the convex lens. Okay, so for convex lens, rule number 1. If we are taking the convex lens, draw the principal axis. Here we are getting optical center. This is F1, 2F1, F2 and 2F2. Okay, so same as spherical mirror, here rule number 1 applies. The ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis, after refraction through lens, it passes through the focus. Okay, this is rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? The rays parallel to principal axis, okay, after refraction from convex lens, okay, it passes through focus F1. कहाँ से पास होगा? फोकस F1 से पास होगा. ठीक है. नाउ रूल नंबर 2. So what is the rule number 2? We are taking the convex lens. We are draw the principal axis. This is O. This is F1. This is 2F1. Okay. This is F2. This is 2F2. Now another rule, same like a spherical mirror. We are taking the rays which is passing through the focus. Okay. After refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Okay. We can draw in such a way also. It passes through the focus. After refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Okay. So what is the second rule? The ray passes through focus F2. Okay. After refraction from convex lens, it becomes parallel to principal axis. कहाँ पे जाएगा? पैरेलल होके प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है पैरेलल ट्रैवल करेगा. ठीक है. रूल नंबर 3, we are taking the convex lens. Okay, draw the principal axis. This is O, F1, 2F1, okay, F2 and 2F2. Okay. So here we are taking same as spherical mirror, the rays which is passes through the optical center without deviation, without refraction, it passed through it. Okay. The ray passes through optical center. Okay. It travels in straight line without डेविएशन. कोई भी रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं होगा, कुछ भी डेविएशन नहीं होगा और वहां से पास हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ सिमिलरली वी आर कंसिडरिंग द रूल्स फॉर द कॉनकेव लेंस. ओके. कॉनकेव लेंस के रूल क्या आएगा? सेम रूल अप्लाई होगा कॉनकेव के लिए. रूल नंबर 1 हम लेते हैं. तो वी आर ड्रॉ द concave mirror. This is principal axis. This is O. This is F1. This is 2F1. Okay. This is F2 and this is 2F2. Okay. So same rule के the ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis. Here this rays is diverse. Okay. And it appears to pass through the focus. Okay. Actually it not pass through the focus, but if we are extending this, should appear pass to the focus. The same like the rays parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the concave lens. Okay, it appear pass through the focus F2 over here. Okay. Now rule number 2. This is O, F1. 2F1, F2 and 2F2. Okay. So here we are considering the rays. Okay. Okay. Which is passes through the focus. After refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. The ray which is appeared to pass through the focus after refraction from the concave lens, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Okay. Now rule number 3. O, F1, 2f1, f2 and 2f2. Okay. So here same like this, the rays which is passes to the optical center without deviation, without refraction is passed through the optical center in a straight way. Okay. So these are the rules for the image formation diagram by the convex lens and concave lens. Based on this Ray diagram, we can draw the image formation, okay, for the object which is situated at different places. So we are getting image at different places for the convex lens and concave lens. Okay. So we will see how we can form the